Habit 1. Wake up on your terms. Weak men hit snooze, roll over, and start their day in defeat. Strong men wake up with control. No chaos, no rushing. If you start your day reactive, the rest of the day will bully you. Start with purpose, and you set the tone for everything that follows. Habit 2. Train every day. Thinking you need a perfect 2-hour workout or nothing at all is a mistake. Your body is the foundation of your mind. You don't train just to look good. You train to stay capable. Run, lift, stretch, just move. When life demands more from you, you need to be physically ready to answer. Habit 3. Master your morning attention. Checking your phone immediately after waking up floods your brain with other people's thoughts. If you don't lead your mind, your screen will lead it for you. Strong men start with their own thoughts. Reading, writing, or silence. Do not let the algorithm dictate your mood before you've even brushed your teeth. Habit 4. Respect your environment. Living in clutter and thinking it doesn't affect your performance is a mistake. Clutter lowers your standards without you realizing it. If your room is messy, don't expect your mind to remain sharp. Organize your space to enforce order in your life. Habit 5. Seek friction. Running from discomfort and always choosing the easy path weakens you. Do something hard on purpose every single day. Cold showers, heavy lifts, or the difficult conversation you're avoiding. Strength only grows where comfort ends. Weak men hide, strong men walk straight into the fire. Habit 6. The iron word. Making small promises to yourself and breaking them because no one is watching destroys integrity. Integrity in private builds respect in public. Every time you break your word, you chip away at your identity. Every time you keep it, you reinforce the man you are becoming. Habit 7. Filter your inputs. Consuming gossip, fear, and brain rot content weakens you. You are the gatekeeper of your mind. Feed it strength, not weakness. Curate the videos you watch and the people you listen to, because they are shaping your reality. Habit 8. Sharpen your voice. Hiding behind weak words, mumbling, or staying silent holds you back. A man who cannot express himself cannot lead. Speak clearly and say exactly what you mean. Your voice is a weapon. Train it, sharpen it, and use it with intention. Habit 9. The daily audit. Living on autopilot and repeating the same mistakes for years weakens you. Reflect daily. Ask yourself, where did I fold today? What must change tomorrow? Reflection keeps you aligned, and alignment builds power. Habit 10. Create over consume. Endlessly scrolling and reacting to other people's lives weakens you. Strength is found in creation. Build your body, build a business, build a skill. Stop watching others live and start building the man you are meant to be. Strength isn't something you stumble upon, it's built. Start building today. Subscribe if you want to be part of the 1%.